Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Saber Samurai 278L set. But before getting to this, I have a few others I have unboxing. There's actually a really decent haul. I love. There's 4 of these in the store. I love 2 of them, so that's why. Same for this. Same for these. There was 2 of these guys. I mean, there's 4 of these guys in the store, so I left some in there for them. So let's go with the weakest link. Yeah. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay, then. Okay. Definitely more parts. Oh, that hurt. So let's just put these guys right here. Let's get his. Let's actually just throw everything in out here. There we go. And I'll get the rest later. Oops. Let's go. Let's do it. Definitely can't wait to get all these together. And let's move these up. There we go. Now let's get Brave. The 668 is definitely really popular. There we go. And finally, let's get these. And there we go. That's how many I have. Let's get all these parts. Let's. Tip. Ratchet. Okay. Okay. Definitely get a lot of good parts in this. Let's get this. Early stuff. Can't wait to get more of the Fox Bay. Yeah, at least now you guys can't say I don't have any 660s. Yeah, shit. It's... Wow. Let me cut to everything. Okay, there we go. Let's put all these guys together and get to the main part of this. Okay, there we go. So the full squad right here. Really nice to have all four. Some more of the all four, then double up on these guys. Or parts. But yeah. And the ones I got before, these guys, I ordered online. Before I got these guys, I ordered these guys online. So be aware of that. Shit, let me put those back in the box. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get my knife. There. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, got one more sticker. Okay. There's the box. Toss that. Here's the launcher. Let's get the rubbers. This piece. The parts, and now let's get the bay itself. So here he is, or her bay. QR code. Okay, there. Here's the 270. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me. Oh god, sorry. I'm drinking Dr. Pepper. Let's get this. Let's see how this goes. How I want the rubbers. I like these rubbers a lot. So let's show it off. Let me actually see how I want the rubbers. Okay. Okay, got the bottom piece. off. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is how I set my stuff up. But yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.